Hey guys, here we are again. Craig with another product from howtopest.com, Steri-Fab. If you are in the pest control industry, you have heard of Steri-Fab. It's been around for a while. It's a great grab and go product. This product is a bactericide, a sanitizer, a fungicide, a mildew-cide. It is a insecticide, it's a deodorant, it's a germicide, it's in a bottle side with a sprayicide. Okay, that's as funny as I get. I'm in the pest industry, what do you want? Let's talk about this. It's known for bed bugs. A lot of people use this for bed bug treatments. If you have to go in, because it's labeled for the mattress, you can put this directly on the mattress. This thing is gonna kill the bed bugs in every stage. The eggs, the nymphs, the adults. It is a direct spray. This is not going to leave a residual, so you have to get it where they're at or directly on them. How you use this, no matter if you're using this for a germicide, if you're using it to kill spiders, fire brats, bed bugs, mosquitoes, fleas, mites, ticks, and on and on and on. It kills a lot of stuff, but it has to be direct. So it's not going to leave you any residual, like I just said, or any backup. So you got to get it on there, on the actual thing you're going after. As far as using this for carpets, for odors and stuff like that, you're going to always clean the carpets first, then you're going to spray this on. When you spray it on for odors, for killing insects, for dealing with bed bugs, you're going to leave it on for at least 10 minutes. So it's going to be a thorough spray where it's nice and wet. You can visibly see that. Let it dry. 10 minutes later, you're good to go. Any of your non-porous surfaces, if you need to wipe it up, you still need to leave this for 10 minutes and then wipe it up. Let it do the job. This thing is labeled for COVID-19. This thing is labeled for herpes too. So you can use it for that too. This thing's got endless uses. It's an amazing product, guys. It's already ready to go in the bottle. You simply just take the cap off, break the seal, put in your nozzle, set it to the way you want to spray, direct or on a cone-like spray, and treat, and go back and forth and just make sure the area is nice and wet. And like I said, leave it for 10 minutes. This comes in a 16-ounce bottle like you're seeing here, and then it comes also in gallons, where you can get the gallons by themselves or in cases. So if you feel like this is a product that's going to work for you, then reach out to us. If you have any questions, we'd be happy to answer them. But this product has been around for a long time. It's a grab and go, so that's what makes it nice and easy. But once again, and getting back to those bed bugs, you got to make sure you get every nook, cranny, behind the headboard, the footboard. You got to get in the screw holes. You literally got to spray everything, because you're not getting a residual, but it will kill all stages. Cockroaches, that's another one. There's things on here I'm not even thinking of that it actually will work for. So Steri-Fab, a great product, guys. Thanks for watching the videos, and just like us at howtopest.com.